I have a JSI-23 ice maker and a Frigidaire refrigerator that has stopped cycling. We have defrosted the unit, and it still doesn't cycle.
Hello from JA, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 34 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 60,000 phone and internet repairs under my belt. The ice maker cycles by temperature. It will only cycle if the internal temperature of the ice maker is 15 degrees. Does the ice maker have ice or water in it now? If not, have you cycled the ice maker to see if it will fill with water?
I defrosted, then let it sit overnight cold. It did not cycle. There is a small amount of water still in the tray. I tried manually advancing, but it would not move.
How did you try to advance the ice maker? You need to remove cover by inserting screwdriver in notch at bottom and prying cover from housing. Use screwdriver to rotate motor gear counterclockwise until holding switch circuit is completed. All components of ice maker should function to complete the cycle.
I rotated CCW with screwdriver. The gears rotate, but the fingers that move the cubes out did not move. Busted?
Okay, yes, that is an indication that the ice maker is broken. The gear will need to be replaced. Here is a link to the part. http://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/drive-gear/53044694003/1485771 question mark replace manufacturer part number equals 530445665 question mark recade equals 1000070 If you have any questions, just reply back.
I went ahead and pulled the unit from the refrigerator. Turning gear turned fingers just fine. I put the unit back in, with fingers pointed up, and lever arm in position to make ice. When shows it fill with water. How can I tell if water, rather than unit, is the problem? The drinking water supply works fine.
If you set the plastic rack arms looking at the ice maker head on, if you set the arms to the 9 o'clock position, it should cycle to the 12 o'clock position and fill and stop at the 21 o'clock.
Rotated to 9 o'clock. It's not doing anything. Does it need to get to a certain temperature, or something like that?
Is the ice maker plugged into the harness in the freezer? And no on the temperature.
Yes, it's plugged in. So seems like the unit is dead. Anything else I should try before ordering a new unit?
Do you have a voltometer to test for voltage to the ice maker?
It's on my boat. Which leads would I test?
Black to yellow on the ice maker plug, looking for 120 VAC. If you have voltage, the issue is the ice maker. Here is a link to the part. http://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/B2P4/Frigidaire refrigerator ice maker assembly /530445837119868 question mark model number equals FFHS2322MS4 and SS equals A4B2C47D1138380 and Mr. equals 1 question mark recade equals 1000070. If you have any questions, just reply back.
Thanks for the help.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.